So here is how to create the horizontal carry belt loops for this pouch. And as you can see, I'm doing pretty much the same thing, but in this case, the anchor points are on the vertical cobra knots on the sides. The midpoint gets looped around one of the vertical knots, and then on the opposite side, both strands of the paracord go through the same vertical cobra knot on the same side. Then from there, I'm going to feed my belt through like before and tie my cobra knots going down the core. You might have to make this belt loop stick out a bit, depending on the size of your belt, just to compensate for the thickness of the material. Once you've woven down the belt loop, just snip and singe the excess. And repeat for a second time for the second loop. And my belt loops are spaced out, just under 2 inches. Also notice how much my belt loops stick out, as the width of my belt is almost the same as the pouch, which has made it necessary to make it look